To find the best and most reliably stocked outdoor heaters for all those activities and more, we turn to hospitality professionals, contractors, and folks who just love their own outdoor heaters to find out more about their favorites. There are many products available to choose from best outdoor electric heater, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best outdoor electric heaters from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Mr. Heater MH9BX Portable Buddy Heater. It won't warm up an entire restaurant dining area, but this winter quarantine hero remains our best overall outdoor heater pick for its affordability, ease of use, and toasty radiant heating power. According to the manufacturer, if run on high, a 1-pound propane canister can power the Buddy for up to 3 hours. On a lower setting, you'll get more like 5. Outdoors, this should be enough for 4 to 5 people sitting around it in a close circle. Strategist editor Maxine Builder is also a fan of Mr. Heater, and not just for the camping trip she takes. She says it puts out serious heat and is a cinch to use. All you have to do is screw on the propane canister, click the pilot light on, and once it catches, set it to either high or low. She finds it so effective and easy to use that she convinced my boyfriend's mom to buy 2 more for outdoor hangs. Dean also likes Buddy. I personally have one. It has a nice carrying handle, and can easily heat up a patio or be placed on a tabletop. Number 2. Mr. Heater Little Buddy Propane Heater. For couples or solo winter outdoors people, we also love Buddy's smaller version, appropriately called the Little Buddy. It's only a foot tall, and you can adjust the angle of its heating element to direct warmth where you need it. It has a runtime of just over 5 hours with a 1-pound propane tank. I took Little Buddy on an 8-month van life expedition, and used it for frosty nights out in the desert. It's plenty warm and intuitive to use and was compact enough to store in a small space. It would also suit cold weather stoop hangs for up to 3 people. As with the larger model, the Little Buddy has a low oxygen sensor and accidental tip-over switch. Number 3. Trusted Patio Heater for Outdoor. There are lots of options out there for hanging heaters, some of them offering really good performance, features, and value, and others that, well, might leave you hanging. The best we found in terms of design, heating effectiveness, and material quality, is the Dunnier ceiling-mounted 1500-watt outdoor heater. The Dunnier outdoor hanger-round design radiates heat nicely in a 360-degree pattern, and yet as a halogen infrared heater, it still offers that nice, instantly penetrating deep down the heat. And the best ideas really are the simplest. It has a pull cord. 1 pull of the cord turns the heater to its low setting, 2 pulls take it too high, and 3 turn it off. No need for a wall mount switch or easily lost remote control. But the greatest thing about the Donner ceiling-mounted outdoor electric fan is the heat. Even at 600 watts, it can really heat a cold outdoor area and several people, and at high it makes sitting outside even on the coldest days an absolute joy. Number 4. Dunnier Power 1500W Electrical Patio Heater. While HeatStorm may not be the most familiar brand at least, yet they do make some of the best heaters money can buy, and consistently offer the best value as well. And the HeatStorm HS1500 is no exception. More of a bare, industrial-looking unit in contrast with the more attractive heaters elsewhere on our list, the HS1500 is as serious as it looks. With full, direct 1500 watts of infrared heating output, the HeatStorm can be set either close to or at a distance from a work area, deck table, lounge chairs, or whatever outside area you want to be heated, and still keep you plenty warm, even when it is really cold outside. If you are looking for the best outdoor space heater, and one that can work in lots of different places and lots of different ways, this may be it. The HeatStorm HS1500 comes with a nice, stable steel tripod for easy placement and flexibility, and is also available in a wall mount version and a roll cage version. Number 5. Camplux ME40 Mini Tank Electric Water Heater. We were recently asked to find a good quality electric shower water heater that could be used outside, and while at first we were intrigued, we soon became, admittedly, a wee bit frustrated. It seems that any decent outdoor shower heaters are gas-powered, usually propane, and any electric outdoor shower heaters are, well, not decent. Whether taking a shower outside is, in itself, decent, will leave entirely up to you. But finally, we came upon a real winner: Camplux ME40 Mini Tank Electric Water Heater. Rather than requiring a hardwired installation, and a professional electrician, or even a 240-volt line, the ME40 water heater simply plugs into a 120-volt wall outlet, and can be mounted in any protected area outdoors. The Camplux ME40 is IPX24 waterproof rated, and its freeze protection makes it safe to use in a wide range of climates. But please don't take a shower if it is freezing out, no matter how hot the Camplux ME40 gets the water. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.